Effective leadership is more than just setting goals or guiding a team. It's about understanding when to focus on people and when to direct attention to tasks, and knowing how to balance both for success. Person-centered leadership emphasizes the well-being, motivation, and growth of each team member. Leaders who adopt this style listen actively, show empathy, and invest in building strong relationships. This approach fosters trust, encourages collaboration, and can boost morale, especially during times of change or uncertainty.
Task-centered leadership, on the other hand, is focused on achieving objectives, efficiency, and meeting deadlines. Leaders using this style set clear expectations, monitor progress, and provide structure. This approach is highly effective when time is limited, tasks are complex, or when a team needs clear direction to reach its goals.
True leadership requires flexibility. By knowing when to pivot between person-centered and task-centered approaches, you can respond to the unique needs of your team and the demands of each situation. This adaptability not only drives results but also builds a resilient, engaged, and high-performing team.
Balancing person-centered and task-centered leadership enables you to bring out the best in your team and achieve outstanding results. By staying adaptable and attentive to each situation, you'll inspire trust, drive performance, and create a positive environment where everyone can succeed.